Hello children, how are you? I hope fine and you are doing revision. See children, many of the students they have not given pretest of coordinate geometry. They must have to give because for the each assignment, each test marks will be assigned. So it is compulsory to give test. After this chapter over, you will have the post test and MCQ test. That also you have to complete within the time because otherwise you will accumulate आपका burden जो है टेस्ट का बढ़ जाएगा. So do it on time. Okay children, let's go for the next exercise 3.3. That what it is mentioned, in which quadrant or on axis it lies. Okay, quadrant or on axis. So here, if you will see, I will explain with the rough diagram here. Let's say I'm just plotting the points. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. You are not going to do this kind of rough work. Proper work you should do, right? On y-axis, okay. This is y and this is your x. This is origin. And y we required up to -5, -3. So here -1, -2, -3, and here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Children, this is my rough work. You need to draw neat and plain. Okay, so we have to see in which quadrant will be coming. We know that, see here, OX and OY. Here both are positive. So in a first quadrant, X coordinate as well as Y coordinate is positive. Here in a second quadrant, this is second quadrant. On OX dash that contains negative value and OY that contains positive. So here negative and positive. Here both are negative, right, in a third quadrant. And in a fourth quadrant, on a X we have positive and on a Y we have negative, right children? So based on this we can give answer. So -2, 4, negative and positive. So see here, negative, positive. That means second quadrant, right? You should write the whole. Then we have 3 and -1, positive, negative. See here. So that means fourth quadrant, right? -1 and 0. See, y coordinate is 0 and x is -1. So that means it will be here. This is your -1 and y coordinate is 0. So where it lies? On x-axis children. This lies on x-axis. 1 and 2 both are positive. So it is in first quadrant. Then we have -3, -5. Both are negative. So according to this, it is in third quadrant, right? So I hope this is clear. So you have to verify by locating them on Cartesian plane. So what you will do, you will make a small graph and paste it in your notebook and then write this answer. I hope it is clear. Again children, remember that, for example here, y coordinate is 0 and x is -1. So that means it lies on where? X-axis. For example, x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is something. In that case, this point lies on y-axis. Okay, remember this children. Now let us go for the next question. We have to plot the points in a Cartesian plane by taking the proper scale. So here what we will do, first we have to decide the scale, okay, based on the data. So if you will see here, x is up to -1 left hand side and here is 3. Y is 8 up to positive and up to negative is -1.5. Okay, so let me, this is all my rough work children. You have to make it proper arrows, origin, everything to score the marks. Okay, here we have origin, this is y and this is y dash. Okay, so let us take this scale. Here so a scale on x-axis we can take 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. That's fine. On here 2, 4, 6, 8. So let us take y 2 centimeter, 1 centimeter is equal to 2 unit. So this scale we need to write. Okay. So here we will have, this is the -1, -2, -3, 1, 2 and 3. Can you see within 1 centimeter we have a 10 small blocks. That means each small box value will be 0.1. Now here on y-axis, this is 2, 4, 6 and 8 and this is -2. Okay, we have to plot this point. So first -2 and 8. So this is x is -2 and y is 8. So wherever here both are intersecting, so this is our point -2, 8. Always first will be x coordinate, remember. Now -1 and 7. So this is -1. Now see, its half will be 7, right? See, 10 small box means it is a 1. So this is a box, small box. So one box means how much? 1 upon 10 means 0.1 value. Yes or no? 1 into 1 upon 10. 0.1. So this is here in between. This is, if we consider, this is for x. Okay. And for the y, 10 box means 2 unit. So 1 box means how much? So 1 into 2, 2 upon 10. That is 1 upon 5. That means 0.5. This is 1 upon 5. So that means 0.2. Okay. Understand? On x-axis, this small box means what? 0.1. On a y-axis, this small box means 0.2. Am I clear? This I have explained also. So practice it. Now 0 and -1.5. So x is 0 and y is -1.5. So its half will be what? -1. So approx we can take, this is approx we can take, if we take the 1 that means 0.2. So approx here we can take, so this is 0, -1.5. Okay. So half is -1 and then 1 box and little bit approx we can take. So that will represent -1, 0, -1.5. So where it lies on y-axis. Now 1, 3. X is 1 and y is 3. So half here will be 3. So this is 1, 3. Then 3, -1. So x is 3 and y is -1. So this is its half. Here it will be there. So that means this is 3n minus 1. Understand? So keep practicing of this locating point, because this is very scoring cash mark, you can get it. Okay, keep practicing. Don't forget to give pre-test, post-test and MCQ test, because every test has a marks. God bless you, children.